Hey everybody, a weather update for you. Recording this a little before 8 o'clock Eastern Time on Wednesday, June 30. We're going to talk about a big change in the pattern. Cooler, less humid air moves in. We're also going to talk about what it looks like as we head for the holiday weekend. A developing tropical system which could impact part of the country. And we'll look at next week's weather maps, and I'm even going to show you some longer term ideas of where we think we may be going with some temperatures and precipitation as we get into later in the summer. But let's start with the immediate thing, and that's going to be the dew point, which is going to drop. The higher the dew point, the more uncomfortable it is. Dew points are soupy out there now, low to mid 70s. Notice what happens. A front will swing in during Thursday afternoon, evening. Behind it, the air gets a lot drier. So by Friday, we're talking a drop of almost 20 degrees in the dew point. You are really going to notice much more pleasant weather as we head into the day on Friday. Rainfall, we have a chance of some scattered showers overnight into the day on Thursday. By Thursday evening, most of that should pass south of here. So we'll stop the clock for you about, say, 8 o'clock or so on Thursday evening. I think we're pretty much done with the rain. And then after that, Thursday night and Friday look to be dry. It'll be cooler, less humid as we head into the day Friday. A real good start to the upcoming holiday weekend. Okay. Real quick, a lot of times on my social media pages, I'll put up a question. I just wanted to go over the most recent one. This was, on average, how many days do we hit 90 degrees or above every year? And you can see the options there. Here's how it played out with people responding on social media. Most on my Twitter and Facebook accounts thought that it was 23 days, but the answer is it's actually 33. 33 days a year on average, we see 90 degrees or above here in the valley. And we do have, by the way, some 90s in the forecast. More on that here in just a bit. We're also wrapping up June here shortly. Here at the TV station, we've gotten exactly 7 inches of rain. Some of you have gotten more than that, obviously. But it is the wettest June since 2013 when we got nearly a foot of rain. So it's been a while since it's been this wet during the month of June. And looks like some drier weather, though, as we start the month of July. Okay, tropics sometimes can bring a lot of rain, and we're looking at the tropics. The main area I'm going to zoom in on, though, is here way off to the southeast. This would be well southeast of the islands down there, and you can see some broad circulation in this. This is a developing tropical storm. Its name will be Elsa. Where is it going to go? Well, there's some pretty good consistent model guidance on this. This is from the National Hurricane Center, and this basically shows it tracking up towards Cuba by next Monday as a tropical storm. I wanted to show you some of the other just raw data from the models. This would be one of our model runs, and it's got the guidance showing, again, towards the Cuba and Florida area. This would be our Canadian model and a bunch of runs together. The farther out in time we go, the cone opens a little bit because it's, the probability is going to be a little bit more open where it could go. But the general idea is near Florida. And now this would be our GFS model runs, and again, near Florida. So we've got to watch the Northeast Gulf of Florida area as we get into, say, about next Tuesday, Wednesday. Developing tropical storm could be headed that way. So something we'll keep an eye on. Okay, let's go over the U.S. maps. This is Saturday. Our friend is that big H in Missouri. That means it's going to have a north to northeast wind here. Cooler, drier air moves in on Saturday. Great start to the weekend. This is Sunday, the actual holiday. We should be looking fine with high pressure right across this area. The weather should be nearly perfect. Warm, but not bad. This is Monday, the observed holiday. Some of you may have that day off. And we're looking at a little bit warmer. The high pressure slides a little bit to the east, so it warms up a little bit. And now this is getting into Tuesday. Now we start to get kind of hot. We start to get more humid as we head into Tuesday. And that front you see up in the Great Lakes, we'll watch that because that's going to spark our next chance of rain. But we don't really see that happening until probably about the middle part of next week. So let's talk rain. These are going to be 24-hour rainfall totals. This is 7p Wednesday to 7p Thursday. The bulk of our rain is going to come between now and Thursday evening. This is now 7p Thursday to 7p Friday. We're done. The rain goes south of here. This is 7p Friday to 7p Saturday. No rain here. 7 p.m. on Saturday to 7 p.m. Sunday. So as you can see for the holiday, we're looking great across this part of the country. And now this would be 7p Sunday to 7p Monday. If you have the observed holiday off, we should be in pretty good shape there also. Now we're getting into later into the period as we get into towards about the first of the week, Monday and Tuesday, rain chances increasing. This is now 7p Sunday to 7p Monday, and we do start to see maybe some rain trying to inch back up. I think mostly for us, it's probably not going to get in here until we get into about the middle part of next week. So here's our forecast for the next 7 days. Scattered showers and storms will be around on Thursday. They will tend to diminish in the evening. Then after that, boy, look at that weather, 77 on Friday. Note the low, Friday night, Saturday morning, as we start the holiday weekend, 53 degrees. Yep, that's right. 81, sunshine everywhere Saturday, a lot of sunshine on Sunday, 87, which is about normal. And then next week, here comes the heat back, 90s or above, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. And right now, it looks like mostly dry. Late Wednesday, we may see a little bit more rain move in. Okay, we're going to end with a couple of just long-term things. First of all, I wanted to show you the European, what we call weeklies. This is a week 1 temperatures. This would go out from now and through next Monday. Temperatures are a little cooler than normal, as you can expect, but we warm back up. This is week 2 temperatures now, so this will be the second week of July, and we do show temperatures getting back at least a little bit above normal here in this part of the country. And this now is interesting because this is going to be basically a 45-day forecast on temperatures. And in this area, this would go all the way out until about the 12th of August. So the idea here is probably a little bit above normal here, but not a whole lot. The last graphic I'm going to show you, though, is the most interesting. And this is the European forecast for rainfall, whether it's above normal or below normal, through the 12th of August. And I'm telling you, I mean, that's a lot of rain from Texas up across this area, right across our 2-state area. So the thinking right now is between now and mid-August that we will stay normal, a little bit above normal in the temperatures, but the corridor of rain may be centered right over this area. So the June pattern that we've had with the wet weather, that may be setting the stage, it looks like, as we head into July and possibly even the first half of the month of August.